In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a link in Gmail. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Gmail and start by composing a new email. This could be for any purpose, whether it's a friendly catch-up with a friend or a more professional exchange. The idea here is to have a fresh email ready where you can effectively embed your link. Once your new email is open, it's time to pinpoint the specific URL you want to share. It could be anything: a useful tool website, a news article, or a reference link. Once you've identified your desired URL, go ahead and copy it. Remember, ensuring that your URL is correct is crucial. A single misplaced character can lead to broken links or redirect your recipient to an unintended page, so double-check your URL before moving forward. Now, within your email, decide on a word or phrase you want to hyperlink. It could be something straightforward like, "click here," or it could be more descriptive, such as, "read this insightful article." Highlight the chosen word or phrase to prepare it for linking. Next, let's find the Insert Link button in the Gmail toolbar. This icon usually looks like a chain link, symbolizing a connection between your text and the web address you wish to include. Clicking on this button will activate the hyperlink feature within your email. A dialog box will then appear, and you'll notice a field where you can paste the URL you previously copied. Make sure to paste the entire URL and take a moment to visually confirm that no fragments were accidentally omitted during the copy-paste process. Once you've double-checked the URL, you can hit the Apply button, which anchors your link to the selected text. It's always a good idea to give your new hyperlink a test run by hovering over it. Some email systems provide a preview of the linked page, allowing you to verify its accuracy without needing to click through. However, if you're uncertain, clicking to verify before sending is always a safe bet. And just like that, you've successfully added a hyperlink to your email in Gmail. This small yet pivotal feature can elevate your communication by highlighting critical information and guiding your recipient directly to the content you find important. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful, and I encourage you to practice this often to make your emails even more effective. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.